In this video, I am making a tutorial guideline for the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. How you can make your firmware website, how you can make your device fully firmware, and basic things I will discuss in this video. And I am getting a lot of the comments on my videos. People are still worrying that they don't know even how they can make the device fully root mi ram.net. I would like to open guest mode here, and I will download the mi flash software, mi flash. Okay, from here I will download and mi net mi ram.net website. I will search to get the primary website accurate. Okay, here you can see mi flash. I already downloaded. Here you can see I'm opening the flash tool. Okay, flash Xiaomi. Okay, you can see the file I'm opening. That is the software. Okay, I would like to allow, and it is saying that I should install the required drivers. I should download required drivers for this to make the device fully properly. Let me click to install. It will work in the background. Yeah, continue. And if you can see the MI Flash tool, save user data, clean all. You can see the website. I'm going to download the Xiaomi 17 Ultra firmware file. Okay, download Xiaomi 17 Ultra firmware TWRP file as well. You should match your device uh, as your region and your country. You can see the China, global means worldwide, Russia, Indo, India, EEA, Europe, Taiwan, Turkey, and global EU, European. Okay, TWRP file and other files are here. You can easily download the zip file as well. Okay, China global and China files size and global file size. You can see 11 GB file and most of the users directly download the global file. You can see the download daily downloads 193. Okay, you can see the file size 11 GB file size. I would download this file to run in the software. Drivers are installing in the background. There are a lot of options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can download any of them. Okay, you should read. Let me click on the download button. It is asking where would like to place the file. Here I would like, and you can see the file format at the end, tgz. Okay, save it and go to the top down and file we have. We should read some informations. I will read. You can see the instructions. That is one is already completed. Second is MFlash. We already downloaded and extracted the tool and open. Then we will we are downloading the drivers in the background. Okay, make sure you made your phone fully bootloader or unblock like OEM. So I would like to go to YouTube and I will search here my channel and show you the URL you should follow the file or the video. That is okay. The file is 1.3 GB and my internet speed is very low for this thing. That is why I should skip for now the file, and I will guide you the step-by-step guidelines, methods. See, Mr. Me. I am opening my channel to show you the how you can make your device fully bootloader, because currently I have no this device available. That is why I am showing you the video that I already made according to the device short videos. Okay, once you understand how you can make your device fully OEM unlock or bootloader, both are the same. You can watch this video OEM unlock in the Google picture. Anyway, I would like to open the Techno. Okay, Realme. You can see unlock bootloader in the Realme. There are a lot of the options are the same in the Realme. You should watch this video to make your device fully bootloader or unlock. Okay, here you can make your video quality perfect. You can see there is a build number in the smartphone, and it will ask the password. Once you put your password, then it will show you that you are now a developer, and there is system. I will go to the system. This video I made myself, and developer options. There is the OEM unlock option. You can see allow the bootloader to be unlocked, or then OEM unlock. Once you enable this, it will ask the password again. Then you can easily make your device fully bootloaded, unlocked, and then make your device switch off. Don't forget to turn connect your smartphone device with the laptop with using the original data cable, and make your device fully switch off. After that, you should follow their option. Uh, Continuously, you should press your button, power and volume down button for the 5 to 10 seconds. You will see the blue screen on the smartphone. Then, this MF Flash tool will work well on your file downloaded. You should select the file, the PC, F, and Xiaomi. Here, I would select the file currently, and then on the file I selected. First, I should make the tool fully refresh. Then I will click on this button flash. Okay, you can read the configuration as well. Check the MD5 buffer flash. Open read dump. Read back verify. Xiaomi or FH loader. Okay, Factory. Factory. Whatever you would like to select Factory. Okay, raise all data. If you want to raise your device data, you should follow this button. Yeah. Okay, raw program and patch XML program. Okay, drivers are installing in the background, and check. It takes some time, and that's all for now. If you are facing any problem, you can connect with me and ask the question on the comment. I will try to make a tutorial video for you. Thank you so much for watching.